So for this week's video, I want to take a look at the trades I called in Wednesday night's webinar. So there was five trades, I should say, they're setting up. You can actually see them in the scan. These are the ones with the 4-day look back that's on here, and there's a couple of others that have new sniper trades since then, so we'll take a look at those. What we're going to be looking at basically is pound yen, Swiss yen, Nasdaq, S&Ps, and the Dow. So all gone on, really nice trades there, and we'll start off with Swiss yen here. So 4-day look back, that was Wednesday night, it's Monday today, and there was the buy there. Now if you know anything about trends, you'll know it's all about those turning points when we're looking at our swing trading strategy. And then whenever you see a turn, i.e. this line here changing from red to green, it's about the context of that turn. So what's going on in the market technically that could push this market then to higher prices? It's going to give it a bias to the upside, if it's a buy trade, that is. Well, we can see here that the weekly trend, WT, suggests that that's in support of this move up as well. So in other words, it's an uptrend on the weekly trend. It's an uptrend on the monthly trend. It's an ascending chart and candlestick pattern. This blue line is also, well, blue, which means that the intermediate trend on the daily chart is up as well. And there's one or two other factors as well that the system takes into account. But basically, this is a pattern that is synonymous with largely winning trades. So what you then find is a sniper disc pop up on the chart, and there was a buy trade there. Now the TradeMate targets, when we use the tool TradeMate here, we can quickly set that up now, and you can work out what the target is. We've got the starter limits, which is what our new members typically start on, and then you've got a target of 141.00s from an entry there of 140.37. That's about a 60 pip target, and moving on really nicely beyond that, actually up to 141.69 now. So nice profit on that trading opportunity there for Swiss yen. And actually, all the trades that triggered on that day were really good opportunities. So let's have a look at the other ones. In total, it was 903 pips or points, so 60 on Swiss yen. Pound yen, not the biggest target on this one, but you know, really nice move nonetheless. So buy there from 163.37. That was a 40-point winner on the pound against the yen. Now moving through to the indices, we also had the Nasdaq. Bit choppy, the Nasdaq in sort of recent couple of weeks there, relatively tight range and setting up as a buy tonight, but there was a sell trade there. The market went down, hit our target, and then went back up again. That was a profit of 117 points on the Nasdaq 100 index. Really nice profit. The fact that the market kind of stopped and reversed on that number doesn't really matter, because that's what we're expecting. That's the most likely scenario for the opportunity, and therefore that's the target for it. So a really nice winner from there on the 13th of July. S&Ps, the S&P 500 index, similar again, as you might expect. The US indices are relatively correlated. You see us moving again to a potential buy trade this evening, so we'll be looking closely at that. But you know, prior to that, of course, again, the 13th of July, there was the short trade there, 37.95. The market moving on really nicely, falling about sort of 600 points or so for us. In terms of the target, the most likely sort of objective was plotted at 379 points. So that's what our members were targeting based on. It achieved that number. So again, a nice winning trade. And then finally for the Dow, there was a nice short trade there. That was a 307-point winner on the Dow. So all in all, 40 points on pound yen, 60 on Swiss yen, 117, 379, and 307 on the indices, respectively there. Some really good trades there. So that's 903 pips from just actually all of them hitting target within approximately 12 hours. So it just goes to show, even on an end-of-day trading system, a lot of the times we can be out of the trades within 24 hours, moving on to look to take the next opportunity for more profit. Anyway, have a great week's trading, and we'll catch you next time.